Hey guys, Tom here, the Residual Hustler, and I had a question from my TikTok, from somebody on my TikTok. They asked me, how do I source? And I asked them to elaborate. They meant, where do I source from? What do I do? Well, I do a combination of a couple of things. One is online arbitrage, known as OA, where I go on websites and I, like Walmart.com, buy things, have them delivered here to the house, sell them on Amazon. I do retail arbitrage, which is the same thing, but actually going out to the store, to the retail store. Where do I go? I go to stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I go to Ross. I actually am fortunate to have a outlet mall, an outdoor outlet mall around me with outlet stores. About 100 of them in this one mall. I live in the Pocono Mountains. And in there there's a Nike outlet store, there's an Adidas outlet store, there's an Under Armour outlet store, there is a Ralph Lauren Polo outlet store. There's a ton of them. So I'll go there. Many times I'll get Nike t-shirts too for $25, and they're selling for $25 to $32 each on Amazon. So I'll go there and I'll buy a lot. That's where I buy clothing from. Now, I also go to Walmart. I go to Target to buy more grocery items, snacks, that kind of stuff. If you just look around your house at what you eat every day and buy over and over again, those types of things. I've got kids. I've got two yet in school. What do I pack in their lunch? Those are the types of items that I buy at the different stores. And the last one is actually my local grocery store. There's a couple of different ones near me, and I will go to my local grocery store. Many times they'll have a buy one get one free or a buy one get one 50% off, and I'll scan it and see if I can make profit and if it's got a low rank. So those are the kind of stores that I shop at, and pretty much almost any retail location with some good pricing, you'll be able to make a profit from. So hopefully that answered your question. And if you want actually some full-blown trainings, you can always go to my website, residualhustler.com. You can go to the link in my bio, and you will also see my YouTube channel. So hope that helps you. Have a good day.